I love you.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking up something truly special. Stew pork loin that are packed with flavor and guaranteed to satisfy your taste buds. Let's dive right into this delicious recipe. First, I will start by seasoning my meat generously with some garlic and herbs, Maggi liquid, black pepper, salt, and some ginger paste. Or you can use any spices of your choice. Now I heat oil in a pan on medium-high heat. Then I'll toss my meat in flour, coating it on both sides. Once my oil is hot, I'll add the pork meat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now I'll remove meat from the pan and set them aside. Now I'll add in onion, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll let them saute for about a minute. Next, I'm adding in 2 bay leaves, crushed pimento, some thyme, soy sauce, some Italian style seasoning, garlic and herbs, some paprika, chili powder. Now it's time to bring back our seared pork. Now I'll nestle them into the pan, making sure they're coated with the seasonings in the pan. Now we'll add in some hot water. And there you have it. Stew pork loin is so tender and flavorful, and the stew is packed with all those wonderful aroma, herbs, and spices. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.